Hi friends, this how-to video will show you how to dispatch to your loads from Load Manager using our included web app. No download required. View on your map exactly where your drivers are, whether they've picked up or delivered a load or sent you their GPS location. This does not require an app to be downloaded. Instead, it uses the web browser directly on their phone. Let them tell you when they've arrived or departed a load and update the load status. But best of all, they can send you their GPS location anytime and attach load documents directly by using the camera or documents on their phone. This document here will show right away, right on their corresponding load in your View Attach Files section. This requires absolutely no download for your drivers, so it's a high compliance rate. They will simply click on a link that you email them or send them through text messaging. So let's get started on setting up your mobile dispatch for the web. To get started, you'll log on to your Load Manager TMS location and click on Settings. We're going to go ahead and go to Configuration Options. Here you have the ability to set options not only for your mobile dispatch, but also other settings in your Load Manager TMS. Your web app is included in your TMS monthly subscription. We also offer a downloadable web-based option called our mobile app, which provides everything the web-based does with added features like continuous GPS tracking. And we also integrate with MacroPoint as well. But today we're going to be looking at the web app. So make sure that the web app is selected under your mobile dispatch settings. Go ahead and choose what text message you would like to show for your drivers. In this case, we will simply let them know that this is their load. And we will select the same option for their default email. Next, we'll click Save. Now we're ready to dispatch this to our drivers. Under your All Loads or My Loads tab, go ahead and select the load that you're ready to dispatch. Today we'll be dispatching DG Logistics LLC's load. Scroll down to your carrier. Make sure that the carrier has an email or driver cell for dispatching purposes, depending on which feature you're going to be using. If they don't have an email or cell, go ahead and enter it and click Save. To dispatch your web-based dispatch, click on Mobile Rate Con. Here you will see the ability to email or, if activated, send a text message. You can also manually enter either the phone number or the email address as well and send it to multiple people if your driver works in teams. Though we do suggest sending it to only one driver for ease of use. When you're ready, click Send and you're all set. Now you're ready to go ahead and start your dispatching. Your driver will receive a very simple to use email or text message. The driver will click on the link he receives through his email or text. He'll receive a screen that will look just like this. It will use the browser on his phone. It works with Safari, Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, and all the other major browsers. He'll put in his name to identify that he's the one opening the app and click continue. Now he'll be able to click the arrived time. Once he's clicked the arrive time, the dispatcher, as seen on this screen, will see the time that he arrived, automatically put into his location. The system will also update the load to status arrived, letting the dispatcher know at a glance that the driver arrived. We are going to switch to the all load screen so that you can see what this looks like when the driver tells you that he's departed. The driver will go ahead and click the departed button on his interface, letting the dispatcher know in real time that he's departed from that stop and is going to the next one. You'll see here that our load is now showing that it was departed from the pickup stop 1. Different colors allows dispatchers to track the load status once it's been dispatched with a glance, simply by looking at this load screen. They're able to narrow down which items they want to see by using the filter by status. So if your dispatcher is only interested in tracking dispatched loads, he can simply look at the dispatched loads, the arrived and departed and delivered loads. And here you see that our load has departed. Clicking on this will give the dispatcher even more information. It will show him or her the departed time, clearly stamped right here. At the top of the load screen, if the dispatcher clicks on Google Map, a Google Map will show, indicating the driver's location on the map by a simple icon. Clicking on the icon shows them more information. Now the driver is able to also update based upon the status bar. So if he wants to let the dispatcher know that he's loaded or unloaded a load, he can do so manually as well. You'll see how the dispatcher's screen lets her or him know that the status has been changed. Once the driver is ready to submit load paperwork, he can do so right on his phone. Simply click Attach Photo Document. On a phone, he can use the camera on his phone, or he can choose to attach a photo or file. Today we'll attach a file for demonstration purposes. Today we will attach a BOL as an example. As you can see, it gives us an image of the uploaded file or picture and allows us to confirm that it is ready to be uploaded. Now, the driver has uploaded the document to the TMS system. In the TMS system, the dispatcher can click on View Attached Files to see the BOL right here. He's able to view a thumbnail as well to confirm that it meets business standards. And if he would like to have it be emailed with the invoice to the customer, simply click Billing Documents, and he's all set. Load Manager's web dispatch is only one electronic dispatching option that Load Manager offers, but it is a convenient and easy way for drivers who will not download an app to have the information they need and communicate with the dispatchers in the office. For more information, Check out our knowledge-based articles in your TMS system.